Welcome to Pi International Education and welcome to our GRE e-learning tips and tricks. So in today's tips and tricks video, we will learn a little bit about how to approach the argument essay task, which comes in your analytical writing section of your GRE exam, right? So one important tip that you definitely need to remember is that you should always state your thesis right at the start of your essay. Now, what your thesis is basically the opinion that you have or the point of view that you are supporting in your entire essay. Now, that sentence, that crucial one sentence that summarizes everything that your essay will be about, has to be stated within your introduction paragraph. Now, the thing about your argument essay task is that you will be given an argument written by somebody else, and it will be your job to criticize or to find the faults in that argument essay, right? Now, what that means is that you have to make it very clear right at the beginning what your point of view is on that particular argumentative essay or on that particular passage. So always state your thesis and your point of view right at the beginning of the introduction of your argument essay task. Now, the second important thing you should remember is that you can never agree to the argument or the passage being completely right. Now, the whole point of the argument essay task in the GRE exam is that it will have some sort of fallacy or it will have some sort of deficiency in the way that the argument is structured, right? What this means is that you need to criticize the shortcomings of the argument and show or highlight where the writer did not really place a good argument or where the writer couldn't really develop their argument in the best way possible. So remember, you should never really agree to the argument or the passage being perfect. You instead always have to make sure that you show or criticize the shortcomings of the passage that is given to you. I hope you've understood everything that we have learned in this video, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks.